Okay, this is a test of the. This is a test. This is a test of the broadcasting service, and I'm testing the audio this Sunday, and we're testing the audio of. We're testing the audio of this Skype call service, and we're testing the audio. We're testing the audio of this. This is how close it is to the microphone, and I'm lowering the audio now. I'm actually lowering the audio so that I don't hear myself. Hello? So I'm lowering the audio so that I don't hear myself in this recording. I'm using the virtual audio cable, and I'm using this to stream a Skype call. So let's test that call.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
So right now I'm testing this audio using the Samsung microphone. It's a dynamic microphone, and I hope to get it. So right now I'm testing this audio using the Samsung microphone. It's a dynamic.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message, but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
So what you do is don't talk too close to the microphone, and lower your volume so that when you monitor, you don't really hear yourself repeat. And you should also talk louder like this. I'm also talking louder like this in a mic test. This is a mic test. If I talk like this, I would probably sound good. So I'm gonna test this one, and let's see what happens. Okay. Right now I'm talking like 2 inches away from the microphone, but if I talk this way, like too close to the microphone, maybe it will be distorted. How about this? If I talk like 5 inches from the microphone, how different it is from the regular one. Okay.